In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an e-signature for email, complete with examples to guide you through the process. So let's dive right in. First, you need to access your Gmail account. Make sure you're logged in, and once you're in your inbox, focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen. Here, you should notice a small gear icon, otherwise known as the settings icon. Go ahead and click on that. When you click on settings, a drop-down menu will appear, providing you with some quick settings options. However, for our purpose, you'll want to select See All Settings to access the full range of configuration options available in Gmail. Once you're in the General Settings tab, and by default, it should open here. If it doesn't, just make sure to switch to the General tab by clicking on it. Now, scroll down through the various settings until you find the section labeled Signature. It's often situated in the middle of the general settings. Upon reaching this section, you'll notice a button labeled Create New. Click on it. You will prompt to give your new signature a name. This can be anything you want. It's just there to help you identify your signature later, especially if you decide to create multiple signatures. After naming your signature, click on the Create button to proceed. Now you're faced with two primary options. You can either type out a text-based signature or upload an image of your handwritten e-signature. For this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload an image of a signature. To do this, you'll need to click on the Insert Image icon, which looks like a small picture. This will open up the image upload options. Click on Google Drive, and if you've already uploaded your signature image there, it should be visible. Select your e-signature image by clicking on it, and then hit Insert to add it into your email signature field. Once you've inserted the image, you might notice that it's a bit too large. No worries, you can easily resize it. Simply click on the inserted image, and you'll see an option labeled Small. Click on that to adjust its size appropriately. Now that your e-signature is perfectly formatted, scroll further down to see options related to how your signature will be used. You can specify whether it should appear on new emails or include it in email replies. It's flexible, so choose what best suits your needs. And lastly, to ensure that all your hard work is saved, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click the Save Changes button. And just like that, you're all set. Your new e-signature is ready to go.